guys, welcome to this video. I'm Anna
And I'm Andy from Almaterra Conscious Resort.
and we are here today to take you with us to try and organize our lives because we have a storage box and we will show you craziness right now. And every time we need to open that door and find something, we're like, oh no, dreading it. So,
Well, basically, in this box, we got all the stuff that we brought from Belgium. So I got all my tools for working outside, which is anytime I need to find a screw, like I spend probably 30 minutes an hour. Well, all the stuff for the renting tent are also in that, and our private stuff are there. So, and we don't have any storage place, or well, everything is still in boxes that we brought from Belgium. So today it's a big day because we will organize everything to gain a lot of time, because remember, you can earn as much money as you want, but the time, as soon as the time is passed, it's passed. For everybody, it's the same thing. So this is what we're gonna work on today. In this video, we will show you all the process of cleaning and especially arranging to gain some times.
shout out to all the home organizers. So, let's go.
Welcome back on Almaterra.
Let's show you what our life looks like right now. The totally disorganized storage box. Amazing. Are you ready? It's intense. I'm not sure if you're ready for the level of craziness. Ready? Go. Please enter.
Ta-da!
This is our life. Welcome.
No, well, this is not our life. It's like that. This is our stuff, but our life is not like that.
No.
I mean,
This is just-
she's a drama queen, so that's why. But yeah, you can see that all the tools are there. So anytime I have to work, it's like 30 minutes to an hour to prepare everything, especially when I have to go to that corner there. Then we got some stuff for the horses. This is for the tent. This is for the tent. Some horses there, stuff in the corner, and well, there is everything. You know what? I'm super happy because we were thinking about buying two different, but I would gain a lot of time because we bought 2 times the same one. So I just need to do that once and then I just redo it the same.
True.
So that makes me feel happy because basically I now wanted to buy 2 different.
I like to make my life complicated sometimes.
Yeah, well, she likes being behind the camera and not here.
Exactly.
After 3 days, 7 hours, 65 minutes, 45 seconds, we are almost done. Well, actually it's pretty cool because I wasn't expected so much space. So I think one of them will be for all my tools and probably also for some horses stuff. And then the other one will be for the tent stuff and personal item. Come in. Come in. Let's check that. Beam! Right in the middle, baby. De cerise sur le gâteau. Eine kleine Rondelle. So this is what happened when you spend too much time with a woman who speaks German, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, French, English, and Spanish, and I forgot one.
German?
German, yeah.
I am German, half German.
She's half German and half Portuguese.
And while Andy is working on his tools, I am making space here on the other side, taking all this out, so we will install another one of these racks on that side. I think we might need a third one, but let's already start with the one that we have, that we bought yesterday. So I'm putting all the stuff outside. That is the rack, and let's go.
Which is way faster than yesterday because we already did one. So, as I told you yesterday, today is gonna be done, and probably we will have the time to buy a third one because, as you can see, we still got a lot of things here, and also we got these big fat American Western saddle. So we got 3 of those, and I found a solution to do, well, basically like they do in ranches. So the 3 of them will go like this,
Stacked.
maybe here or here, I don't really know, but it's gonna be pretty cool.
So as you can see, look, clothes are hanging between the first one and the second one, and we just had to buy a third one. There is not enough space. I mean, yeah, there is not enough storage for our stuff that is still outside. Day 3 of box organizing. We have company today. We let the dogs out. Ooh, 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 ooh. So one's there, and the other one doesn't like machines and noise. So she's right there. Andy is building supports for the saddles, and I will be building a fourth storage. This one, a metal one, smaller one that we will put here against this wall. So not made for this. What a waste of time. It doesn't like work physically. It doesn't. There is no hole to put the screw in. It doesn't overlap. Make fun of me.
You see, she's not always super happy. We break the myth of Anna always smiling. After 3 hours and a half.
Pretty much, yeah. It's standing, but it's such a sucky system that you can't get the screws tight everywhere. What are you doing?
I'm doing the rack for the saddle, but it's pretty tight because we need to make it very strong. And on the opposite, I want absolutely to put the 3 saddle on the same rack because we don't have the place. So I just realized that like I need this piece of wood from here to here, but in the same time I need my saddle here. So I need more than 45 centimeters that I put because the higher saddle is 45 centimeters. But now I got an idea, so I'm just moving this one here, so I will gain 1 centimeters. And I will try it once and see if I need to keep on going or if I need to remove everything and to redo everything. Well, I think it's moving on. I got something here. See what happened. So first of all, as you can see, the area is pretty tight, so that's why I put everything together outside.
Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this video where we showed you how we completely reorganized the storage box behind me, which is 2.5 meters on 5 meters, so even smaller than I thought. And we have another challenge coming up in the winter because now is the summer season and all the glamping tents are up and running. But once the winter season, or here it's more rainy, potentially rainy season comes, so let's say mid-November until February, March, we have to take them down, and inside these glamping tents, since they are super comfortable, you have king-size beds and everything. So we will need to figure that out, but that's for later. Right now we are tired, but we're very happy of the results. We'll take you inside just a second to show you the final result. We can walk in there now, we know where our stuff is, and it's not a nightmare anymore to open that door and to find the corkscrew or something, you know. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to follow more of our adventures here on Almaterra. And until then, I wish you a very happy day, life. See you soon. Ciao.